Worried about kennel cough humans? Pet owners will agree with me that kennel cough appears to be an extremely uneasy health problem in pets. In reality, kennel cough in canines could be as compared to a common cold in humans. Study suggests that kennel cough is really created by an infection, not a bacteria or illness as originally believed. Because of it, kennel cough could spread easily, and while the symptoms of it are without a doubt frightening to listen to, contracting kennel cough is not always a sign of something more harmful or serious. So all you pet dog owners there, no should fret. All you'll have to do is look for different home remedies for kennel cough. This is because, the good news is, most cases of kennel cough do not call for clinical interest. There are a number of different home remedies for kennel cough. Some of them feature traditional house treatments, home steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Listed below you will discover better details concerning these different treatments. Below.House Steaming TreatmentsMost pet dog owners concur that this is one of the most efficient techniques of treating kennel cough in dogs. It involves placing of a vaporizer that has cozy water in a room. Warm showers are also optimal for providing this kind of vapor therapy. It is advisable that pet dog owners carry out this procedure a minimum of 3 times in a span of 1 day. One of the wonderful things to know is that this one of the most inexpensive procedures used in guaranteeing that kennel cough is eradicated. With this procedure, the vapor generated really opens the dog's bronchial tubes, which stopping up of mucus or other discharges from housing in a pet's lungs. When these bronchial tubes are cleared, the kennel cough symptoms will be gone. Traditional Residence ProceduresThis solution consists of basic actions that can be done in the house to get rid of the kennel cough infection from your pet's device. As an example, canine owners ought to make certain that their pets are kept in tidy kennels. An excellent way to do this is to make sure your dog is correctly potty educated, to make sure that they are not resting or residing in moist areas from unmindful peeing. One more important point to bear in mind is to make sure that your pet dog eats healthy and balanced and on a regular basis. This will decrease their vulnerabilities to various infections. Wet food and fresh meals aid in this, allowing your canine to recover faster compared to expected.Comforting. BotanicalsThere are various products on the marketplace that can be utilized by pet owners as home remedies for kennel cough. These products help in strengthening the invulnerable system of your pet dog in order to prevent infections. Several of these items include Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Echinacea. Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies, natural treatments verified to be the most reliable nostrum for kennel cough. These remedies consist of KC self-defense, Respoke and homeopathic nose relief. Guarantee that you use these remedies as advised in order for them to be reliable. With the log of home remedies for kennel cough available to canine owners, I'm sure you can agree with us in that there is no have to be very fretted if your household pet deals this PC virus. While kennel cough signs may seem dreadful when your animal is experiencing them, in the plan of points, they are nothing to major. If you are unsure about the cough though, I want to tell you about a way you can be sure. Questions like kennel cough humans. Many people have had good success with it. So remember, the answers you need for your pet's health like kennel cough humans are in there.